What's up, guys? Welcome to Mad About Cake. I'm your host, Joshua John Russell, and this week I'm making a birthday cake for a Superfan. I'm gonna build a two-tiered vanilla cake filled with vanilla buttercream and finish it to look like a coloring book. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it! I'm gonna start by breaking down an 8-inch vanilla cake. By the way, if you guys want these recipes, you know where they are, in the eye or the description box below. Frisbees, who's catching?
I'm on it.
You're way back there, James.
See if you got an arm, man.
All right, let's do it. I'm gonna have to discus it, I think.
Whoa.
And it didn't break.
We should make cake Olympics.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds like so much fun.
Sounds like a lot of food waste, actually.
I'm also not good at any other sports, so Cake Olympics I think is what I could win. So I'm gonna clean up my crumbs and then we'll get this thing filled with vanilla buttercream. Delicious. All right, first trip to the cooler, then we'll trim the sides, crumb coat, final coat. Let's go, buddy. Now we're gonna cover the cake with white fondant. I'm gonna roll this to an 1/8 of an inch thickness with a little bit of
Snow!
snow. At the same time, James, you were off, dude.
I'm channeling Rob. I miss Rob.
Oh yeah, I do miss Rob, but I'm glad Brandon's back. That's right, I said something nice about you, Brandon.
I got nothing for you.
Well, that souvenir was pretty crappy, so. Oh, I have so many bubbles. I need a bubble popper. Is it in here?
Did you hear about the new 2019 song?
Oh God.
Pop the bubbles.
Pop them bubbles, pop them bubbles, 2019, and it's a whole new scene. We're gonna pop those bubbles, if you know what I mean. Pop those bubbles,
That's the same
bubbles.
song.
No, there's a new line in it. Did you hear the thing? It was 2019. That wasn't in the old one.
That's really good.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Oh, was it? I didn't hear that one on iTunes or Spotify. So I have an edible marker here in black, and now I'm gonna draw out the coloring book outline. So I'm just doing kind of a space theme. Rafa really likes rockets, and I'm leaving a lot of room for us to color in between.
So this Rafa is like a super fan of yours?
Rafa is, so his mother posted a video of him, and he had like books stacked, and then he like covers them in fabric like it's fondant, and he's literally saying like, "What's up, guys? Mad About Cake," and then I'm on in the background, and the best part of the whole video, he goes, "Let's do it!" It was hilarious. Let me introduce you to my little friend, the birthday boy, Rafa! Come on. So Rafa is a super fan of the show, right? And what do? You pretend like you're me and you say, your mom records you?
Yeah. Welcome to Mad About Cake. I'm Joshua John Russell, and this week this video is all about Christmas cakes. So I'm going to build a 3-tier vanilla Christmas cake with avocado buttercream. Let's do it!
So this is gonna be a coloring book cake. So we are gonna take these edible markers. You can eat the ink, color it in. Sound fun?
Yeah.
Because your mom told me you like to color. What color do you want to start with?
Yellow.
Okay, so you start on the rocket and I'm gonna do these little bubbles over here.
Okay.
What is your favorite part about Mad About Cake?
Maybe when we start.
You like to start best?
Yeah.
When I go, "What's up, guys? Welcome to Mad About Cake," and I play my piano?
Yeah.
The guys make fun of me for that.
Rafa, what's your favorite flavor of cake?
Vanilla.
That's my favorite too, Rafa.
Brandon likes vanilla cake too.
Oh, yeah.
What techniques are you using to color there, Rafa?
I'm actually coloring like
He even showed the camera. This kid's a natural.
on top where the windows are.
Yeah, just like right on top of the windows are. I'm gonna switch up. Maybe I'll do blue now. That looks really good. Do you like this scene? I painted that. I made like a space, and that's a rocket ship, and some bubbles. And
Joshua, are you trying to brag?
No, I did it for him.
So Rafa, are you painting with markers on there? You can't eat that, can you?
They're edible.
Oh.
James.
So you can eat the markers?
You can eat the ink, not the...
Brandon.
So Rafa, when you get older, do you want to have a cake show like Joshua?
Yeah.
You know, at some point, I'm older than you. I'm gonna retire, so you could be the new man about cake. Look at that was the best reaction. Did you by any chance see my new show called Jump Into Cake Decorating?
No.
You didn't? I thought your mom told me that you really liked a certain puppet.
Yeah, it was Gus.
It was Gus.
Hey Rafa, what'd you get for Christmas this year?
I got just 2 big Lego sets and I actually got some real cake decorating stuff.
Really? Like, what'd you get?
Is that right?
Get one of these? Something like this?
Yeah, it was a real one, and I also got a real decorating of cookies.
And you got some fondant maybe?
You got fondant too?
No, I just got toy fondant.
Do you know what I have here? I have what we call the cake vault, and it's full of stuff. So before you leave, we'll go shopping and send you home with some fun supplies. Does that sound cool?
Yeah, you told me that when I first saw you.
I know, I met you on the set of Jump Into Cake Decorating, and you decorated the most epic cupcake I've ever seen. This kid put more frosting on a cupcake than I've literally ever seen. Here's the cupcake, it was like piled up this big, and then ate the whole thing. And I think his mom probably just let him run home behind the car. Rafa, guess what?
What?
I have a very special guest. You ready to meet him?
What's up, guys? Welcome to Gus.
Hi.
Hi, Rafa. It's me, Gus. How are
Hi,
you?
guys. Good.
Good. What you guys doing? What you guys working on?
Oh,
What are you doing?
we're actually decorating cake with edible
I
markers.
love decorating cakes.
So Rafa, when you were watching Jump Into Cake Decorating, was Gus like your favorite part?
Yeah.
Because he was so funny?
Yay.
And he tried his hard. He did pretty good, no?
Yeah, but he was like...
I know.
Man.
Piping is so hard.
He struggled with the piping.
Have you ever tried piping, Rafa?
Oh, yeah, and it was like so typing hard.
But when you mess up, remember, it's just a cake.
It's just a cake.
Joshua, do you wanna sing the song from the music video?
Sure.
Awesome. Hold on, let me go change. Ta-da!
I, however, am not going to change. There is a music video you guys will see in a few weeks where I'm wearing lots of double turtlenecks, and it's a 90s boy band thing. It's really, really funny.
It's amazing.
And it's just a cake.
It's just a cake.
Do you remember that song?
Hey, Rafa, what were your favorite parts of Jump Into Cake?
It was with you baking the cake.
Yay! I love baking cakes. Do you love baking cakes?
Oh, yeah. How did you know?
I mean, who doesn't love cake? Speaking of cake,
You know what he likes the best?
do you guys have any garbage cake laying around?
Garbage cake. Do you want to do garbage cake?
Yeah.
Let's do a little piece.
Here it comes.
Yeah, I know.
You're silly.
Here, feed him more. He loves it. He's so silly.
Yeah, let's read him more.
You want more? Okay.
Look
Wait,
at
I don't want to mess up my shirt. Let me go change. Okay, more garbage cake.
Gus, hold on. You got something on your lip. Let me get it.
Okay, thank you.
All right, buddy. We're gonna finish this cake, and we'll see you later, maybe.
Yeah, do we get to eat it?
Yes, we do.
Yay! Okay, I'll let you guys at it. See ya.
Bye, Gus.
Bye, guys. You had some cake stuck in your teeth.
All right, our 2 cakes are finished. Rafa and I did a good job, I think. They look really nice. Now I'm gonna stack them with a new thing. So I know you guys missed the bubble tea straws. These are kind of like bubble tea straws, but they are made out of cardboard, so they're recyclable, and they won't kill the animals, the turtles. I'm only gonna use 4 of these because they're really, really sturdy. Spatula me. Oh. So I wanted to put Rafa's name on the cake. So I cut out Rafa out of gum paste and let it dry. And then what I did was I took my marker and lined it so it kind of would look like the coloring book. And then Rafa and I colored them. So now I'm gonna line them up on the board using a little bit of chocolate and freeze spray.
Freeze spray.
All right, let's go get Rafa and eat this thing.
Ooh, I'll go get him.
Jeez, James. Our coloring book Rafa cake is all complete. I think it turned out super cool. What do you think?
Yes.
Did we do a good job?
Yeah.
Yeah? So you guys don't forget, you can check out my show, Jump Into Cake Decorating. Everything's down there below. You can hang out with Gus, your favorite.
Yeah.
Should we eat it?
Yeah.
You want to tell them what we're going to do next week?
Yeah.
What are we doing next week?
I don't remember.
Next week, join us. We're making a St. Patrick's Day cake. All right, I'm going to cut it. You ready?
Okay.
Okay, here's your fork. Cheers. What do you think? Thumbs up? Hey, let's go get some cake to Gus. You want to? Come on. How done? We got it? Whoa! Aggressive ruler. They don't have any non-aggressive rulers outside. Do they not? They're like, this is the smallest ruler that they have.
Normal-sized rulers.
There is, right outside here is the ruler section, and this is the smallest one. They measure horses.
See, Joshua took his sock off once, right? Because his foot was getting hot. Let's just cut this joke, because it's not going to be funny.
Let's go into a weird place.